Ever wondered how to change your car's oil by yourself? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we'll dive into the world of car maintenance, discussing everything from oil changes to brake replacements. So buckle up and get ready to become your own car mechanic. Changing your car's oil might seem daunting, but it's actually quite straightforward. Start by gathering your tools: a wrench, an oil filter wrench, an oil drain pan, and of course new oil and a new oil filter. Safety is paramount, so make sure your car is securely lifted before you start. Unscrew the old oil filter, drain the old oil, then replace the filter and refill with new oil, keeping a keen eye on the level, and voila, you've just changed your car's oil. Now, let's dive into something a bit more complex: replacing brakes. To begin, you'll need a few key tools like a car jack, lug wrench, and new brake pads. Remember, safety first. Always use jack stands to secure the car. Once you've taken off the wheel, you'll see the brake assembly. Carefully remove the old pads and slide in the new ones. Make sure everything is tight and secure before putting the wheel back on. Congratulations! You've just replaced your car's brakes. But what if your car starts acting up out of the blue? Let's uncover a few common car issues and how to tackle them. If your car refuses to start, it could be a battery issue. Try jump starting it. If your car overheats, check the coolant level. It might need topping up. And if you notice your car pulling to one side while driving, it could indicate uneven tire pressure or alignment issues. Remember, knowing how to troubleshoot common car issues can save you a lot of time and money. Well, there you have it, folks. Car maintenance doesn't have to be a daunting task. We've journeyed from oil changes, brake replacements to troubleshooting. Go ahead, apply these tips and keep your car in tip-top shape. Remember, a happy car means a happy driver. Now don't forget to leave your comments, share your own car maintenance tips, and hit that like and subscribe button for more helpful videos. Drive safe.